Good morning, BEd second year, and to our instructor, Ma'am Maria Dulce Galeana. In today's discussion, let me explain the classification of animals based on their habitats. So, what is habitat? A habitat is a natural home or an environment that provides favorable surroundings for some particular animal species by fulfilling their basic necessities like food, water, and most importantly, a place to live. But as these habitats are different for every animal, they are classified into various types. So let's dwell on more details starting from the terrestrial habitat. The word terrestrial comes from the Latin word terra means earth or land, and the animals that live on land are known as terrestrial animals. And the good examples are cat, dog, lions, and etc. Most of them generally have four legs to walk on land and have developed organs or well developed organs. But being terrestrial animals doesn't mean one cannot go into the water at all. It merely means are not or can't live in an aquatic environment as the only habitat. And what's the aquatic environment or what is aquatic habitat? Water bodies that act as a shelter for animals living in it. And these animals living inside the water are called aquatic animals, right from giant creatures like whales, sharks, dolphins, to small fishes, such as sea snails, crabs, lobster, and etc. But we all know the real challenge to survive underwater is breathing. And to do so, many marine animals like fishes have special respiratory organs called gills that extract dissolved oxygen from water and excrete carbon dioxide. And who do not possess special organs to breathe underwater for a long time, nature has given them a remarkable ability to survive both on land as well as in water. And they are known as the amphibians. Yet, full-blooded animals like toads, frogs, salamanders belong to the class of amphibians. For amphibians, the threat could come from anywhere. So to protect themselves, some species pretend to be dead, while some create awful odor to defend themselves from the predators. Now, that's some wise tactics, but do you know what's wiser? It is to stay away from danger in the first place. And who can understand this better than our next classification of animals? We call arboreal animals. Most predators roam on the surface of the land. Some wise animals have chosen to spend most of their time on trees, giving them the title of arboreal animals. Classes of animals are known to perform most of their activities on trees' canopies, like eating, sleeping, playing, and etc. Some examples of arboreal animals include monkeys, chameleons, koalas, and as these animals primarily depend on fruits, leaves, seeds, flowers, and etc. They generally don't feel the need to walk on land and risk their lives. But unfortunately, they aren't entirely safe on trees and often fall prey to many predators like pythons, cheetah, and giant aerial animals. And who are they? Well, it is a class of animals who have the ability to fly high in the sky. The majority of birds, bats, flying squirrel, and also many insects belong to this class. And that's all for today. And thank you for your listening.